Hi, I'm Soren, one of the co-founders here at Terramate. Terramate Catalyst enables developers and AI agents to provision, manage, and secure cloud infrastructure in self-service. At the same time, it allows platform teams to retain full control by centrally defining and enforcing how infrastructure is provisioned using infrastructure as code tools such as Terraform and OpenTofu. The best thing about Catalyst is that it allows you to reuse your entire IC investment without changing any existing configuration. At the core of Catalyst are bundles and components. Components are a unit of infrastructure, written in infrastructure as code. So this could be a Terraform module or any arbitrary infrastructure as code file, such as pure Terraform code. Bundles are a combination of one or multiple components and abstract details such as how environments and state is managed. But let's look at this in a demo. So I have a repository open. This is called Terramate GitHub as code here in my cursor. And what I want to show you today is how easy it is to create, for example, GitHub teams or GitHub repositories using Terramate Catalyst. Okay, for that, I first look at the Terramate version installed in Cursor. So this is 14.6 and alpha. Okay, so next I want to do is I want to run a command called Terramate Scaffold. And Terramate Scaffold basically allows me to select from a collection of bundles, either from the local repository or from the Terramate Cloud Registry. So what you can see here now is we have multiple bundles available. Organization for managing GitHub organizations, repository for creating and managing repositories, and teams. Let's create a new team. This team I will call the data team. The name of the GitHub team is data team. So now Terramate Catalyst also allows us to import existing infrastructure to code. But in this specific example, I don't want to do this. There's no parent team as of now. And I can select the team members here, which is Baby Yoda and Ben Kenobi. Let's create this bundle for me. What is happening is that basically Terramate creates this YAML file here. And you can see in this YAML file, we specify all properties of this specific GitHub team. So now if we run Terramate generate, this will run the Terramate code generation to basically generate the required Terraform code for creating this specific team. And the nice thing about this is the backend is fully configured here. Providers are fully configured. So this is all managed by abstractions. And then we have just code here. So this doesn't even use modules as of today. And I wanted to mention this because Terramate Catalyst integrates with complex patterns such as, multiple modules or just arbitrary code. So how about if we run the same command again? Terramate Scaffold, and I want to create another team. So now let's call this the LLM team. Do you want to import any existing team to code? No. And now Catalyst will basically recognize that I already have a team created in my GitHub organization. So I can use this as the parent team to the newly created team, which then becomes a child team. Let's do this. And then Hans Solo is going to be the member of this team. Create bundles. And now I rerun the command generate. And you can see Terramate also creates the second team for us. Let's try the same as a repository. Scaffold. Okay, let's create a repository. This is a little bit more of a complex use case. Name of the repository, we call this maybe Terramate MCP server. And MCP server to integrate tools such as Claude with Terramate Cloud and Terramate CLI. I do not want to import any existing infrastructure. Let's say this is a public repository. Add initial README. This is going to be Go, MIT license. Let's create this bundle. Let's generate the code. And now we should be able to see the repository being generated here. Right. So this is how we can use Catalyst to basically abstract the complexity of infrastructure as code away from our developers. As of today, Catalyst provides an CLI, an MCP server, so it can be used by tools such as Claude, GPT, Cursor, but also be integrated with other agents such as platform orchestrators. We will add an GUI in the future to Terramate Cloud to orchestrate Catalyst. Catalyst, as of today, is in private beta. So if you're interested in giving this a try, we would be more than happy to onboard you to our pilot program. Please feel free to reach out to me at soren@terramate.io or just go on our website and book a demo. Thank you so much.